You can see the nice little sun line. So today what I get to do is this is pretty freaking awesome hat. This part is denim, love it. And I'm not a hat person, I don't wear hats, but we're gonna do it. And so I get to cut a hole in it for my locks. So I got the hole cut in there for my dreadlocks. I had to kind of burn this so that it wouldn't fray more, and then I'm just gonna just sew up some loose ends here, and I got me a dreadlock hat. So otherwise I'm gonna be fried.